Let's say it's a hot summer day and you reside in southeast Butler County. You know what will be ideal? A trip to SEBCO Pool. SEBCO is an acronym for Southeast Butler Pool Organization. Patrons have been splashing around at SEBCO since 1967. Amenities of the park include soccer fields, baseball diamonds, a playground, a walking trail, and of course, SEBCO Pool. SEBCO Pool is the focal point of Laura Doerr Park. The pool and park are located off Hannahstown Road. The zero entry section is located in the kiddie pool. Unfortunately, for the 2025 season, the sprinklers and the slide are out of commission. I am hoping that they can receive the grant to make the necessary repairs. SEBCO Pool has a diving well with a nice diving block. The pool area includes a very clean bathhouse and a concession stand. The maximum depth of SEBCO Pool is 9 feet 6 inches. Flotation devices are prohibited from the diving well. Admission to the pool is $10. However, after 4 o'clock, patrons only pay $6. And getting to the pool at 4 o'clock is an ideal time because people are leaving to go eat. You have to think they were at the pool all day, they're tired, they're sunburnt and hungry. So that's the magical time people leave to go get something to eat. For me, that's an ideal time because it's the hottest time of the day. And plus, I work all day, so I can't go until 4 anyhow, and plus I save money because admission is only $6. I prefer SEBCO Pool because it's less crowded. I love Alameda, but sometimes it gets insanely crowded. Even though SEBCO Pool doesn't have all the amenities of Alameda, that may be a good thing because I did observe children making up games in the water. And that's a good thing because it allows children to be creative. I sure hope you enjoyed my video. You have until August 31st to get cooled off at SEBCO Pool. Thank you for watching and don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button.